Right pilot, push the flashing button to take off.
I have no idea. Push the flashing button.
Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There is the train. Come, Papa. Yes, keep shooting. They've not got to us. Take evasive action.
Move right. Yeah. I think you've gone the wrong way.
There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friend, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Now let's shoot the train. Oh, so close. Keep reeling. The cargo is breaking free. Keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes! We got the coaxium! I will grab it! You keep up to the train! Gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous! Things are getting too hot! We've got to get out of here! Yes! A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! It's coming down! Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost! We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here. Great job, my friends. You retrieved 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. R5, damage report. Engine failure, alright. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good.